What's up, YouTube? Alright guys, so this is a video on my 2018 Passat R-Line. I noticed that there's really no videos of this car getting customized, so I started customizing my own car and figured I would document the process. So the first thing, which I'm pretty much calling the Hoonigan hack on this car, is to show what this thing sounds with a Spectre intake. Okay, so very you'll see why I'm laughing in a minute. So I had one of my techs, we were bored and we didn't know what to do with like the last 15 minutes, so we went to O'Reilly's and this happened. So we got our big Spectre intake. We've got the little secondary there. Most ridiculous clamp you've ever seen. But I wanted for everyone to hear what this thing sounds like, because it's absolutely ridiculous. Like, absolutely ridiculous. So first I'm going to take a couple with the phone just like propped up somehow so that you can see the engine and hear it. But then I want to do some passes, because really the best thing about it is the noise that it makes when you let your foot off the gas. It basically just is the most ridiculous sounding blow-off valve sound you'll ever hear. And all that I've done to this is just remove the air filter. So if you want like a crazy blow-off valve action, this is what you do. Alright, so we just heard that, but again, really the best part of this thing, and where it like shines pretty well, is doing a couple passes. So I want to get some video footage of that. Hopefully it'll sound okay. I'm just going to record from the just my phone being on the dash with the windows open. Hopefully you can hear some serious sneezes coming from the engine. Again, remember, this is just the Spectre intake put on my 2018 Passat R-Line, which does have the new 2.0T, so it's a little bit different from the previous 1.8, which is why I wanted to do this in the first place. We were just a bunch of hoonigans, so we were like, let's just throw this on there and see what happens. But listen to the next clip. Alright, so pretty ridiculous mod, or at least it sounds really good. I mean, when you're coming out of, you know, $60 was our total cost for just swapping out the air filter and putting that thing in, came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Something that you could definitely do again in 5, maybe 10 minutes, so not really very difficult, but the sound is awesome, and you know, I'll try to get some passes eventually in the future so we can really get a sense of what that thing sounds like. But tune in next time. Hopefully more mods come.